Hey you guys, why is it blurry? Hey you guys, it's your gal Cutie back in the house. Finally with that boots collection. Wait, winter boots collection. So that was a fail intro. So it's the faux fur winter boots collection, Y2K baby. And you guys know I've been wearing that pink one for so long because that's my favorite one. That's why it's dirty now. As you guys remember, this two boots from the Y2K winter collection, Bratz inspired video. It had these two faux fur boots, the beautiful rhinestone on it, and also this light pink one, the baby pink one that I already messed up because I've been wearing it a lot, as well as this baby pink boots that I already messed up because I've been wearing it a lot. It's so adorable. I love the pom-poms and the rhinestone. And I do have it in different colors as well. The apricot, as well as the black one, baby. That's so adorable. Just my favorite. They fit amazing. They're comfortable. But I got this one in a bigger size. This was 11. So I have in 3 colors, the apricot and the black one, and they fit amazing. They are true to size to me. But if you do have bigger cows like me, size up, because this one is a size 11 and they fit way better. But this one is just like, it's like there's no room, but it's still comfortable. Like, I'm not gonna complain. And then we have wannabe Uggs, but they are very comfortable. And they do look cheap because of the ribbons, but this is more better than the other one that I saw that looks way more cheap. But this is amazing. This is so comfortable, it's so cute, and it's true to size. I've been looking and searching for a shade of brown of this boots, and I finally found one, so I'm really happy that I got it, because this one is apricot, I still want that, and then the khaki one that I got, I still love that. So that is it for my Y2K faux fur boots collection. And hopefully they do have a baby blue one or a light purple one. I would totally get it. But yeah, I think this is enough for me because I don't need all those boots. They're adorable already. Thank you. Come again.